All right, how we doing, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to import Google Analytics events as conversions into Google Ads. So here, I'll show you the final step. Actually, sorry, wrong account here. Let me get in here. We're going to go to Tools and Settings. So we're in ads.google.com right now, and then we want to click on Conversions. So basically, we're going to import a new conversion action. So right now we've already done two. We've got contact form submissions and we've got email clicks, meaning we want to know if anyone clicked on the email that came from an ad or if anyone submitted a form that came from an ad. So we're going to push that information over here. On analytics, you're going to be under events. So analytics.google.com. First, you start with events. And let me just tell you what we did. During phone number events or phone number clicks, we actually just checked that box. So you can turn any of these events into actual conversions because these are the most important. These are email clicks from ads, phone number clicks, and contact form submissions. So we want to know when someone submitted a form. That's very important. And then phone number clicks are pretty good, and email clicks, because if they're getting calls, they could book appointments over the phone. Again, we won't know, but we have a call tracking service. We have a system in place so we can track all this stuff. And again, let's move on to the next step. And we always use Google Tag Manager. So I'll just kind of give you a glimpse behind the scenes here. When you install Google Tag Manager, we're going to set up important tags and triggers. So for the phone number clicks, I'll just show you how we did that. You got your measurement ID, we've got your trigger elements, and all we did was click text contains the phone number. That's it. So that's how you kind of pull that trigger and tag. And then you see that it shows up in Google Analytics. This is GA4. So we click that button to mark it as a conversion. Then here's where we get to the part in Google Ads where we're going to pull this information in. So click on New Conversion Action. We're under Tools and Settings. And there's Website, App, Phone Calls, and Import. Now there's another phone calls one that I'll show you in a different video, but this import is what we're going to do, and we're going to import from Google Analytics 4. We're going to click on Web, move myself out of the way here, and then click Continue, and it should just pop right up. Now it typically takes a day, a couple hours or so. So since we don't have any e-commerce, we're just not going to do purchase, but we are going to import the phone number clicks. So click there, import and continue. And that's pretty much it. Since it's Google Analytics 4, it's really easy. We just want to import that event, and then we can give it a value. So phone number clicks, I'm not going to say it's too valuable, but you know, let's at least put a $10 value, right? So I think that would be good. So if we can get a call that's worth $10. And then you can change the click-through window, which is in Google Analytics. So I don't typically need a 90-day look back for a phone call because that would give Google too much credit. But yeah, here's how we run ads, and let me know if you have any questions. clicktrackmarketing.com, and if you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe.